After the Swedish firm SAAB, a second foreign firm is considering the possibility of pulling out of Project 75-I, which might be another setback to the ambitious strategic partnership policy for building 6 conventional submarines for the Indian Navy. According to sources, ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems of Germany has responded to the expression of interest, but the firm has found the project complicated, and the German Chancellor is expected to flag concerns during her visit to India. Defense sources have said that all foreign original equipment manufacturers have flagged concerns about the strategic partnership policy, under which an Indian partner will hold 51% stake in the project, thus taking away control of the submarine. The foreign original equipment manufacturers have argued that the policy makes them liable for any malfunction in the submarine, and they cannot guarantee quality products and abide by the delivery timeline sought by the Indian government. According to latest reports, DRDO has started the operation of the land-based prototype of its air-independent propulsion system in presence of the Indian Navy Chief and DRDO Chief Dr. Satish Reddy. The DRDO chairman has assured that efforts will be made to meet the performance standards and timeline of the program, so that the induction of the indigenous air-independent propulsion system into operational submarines could be achieved as per the schedule of the Indian Navy. According to latest reports, China's second aircraft carrier appears to be ready for commissioning, as the carrier has completed its 8th sea trial, and the Chinese Navy officials had conducted an inspection ceremony on the 24th of October. China has also established a huge aircraft carrier factory in Shanghai, and it plans to acquire 6 aircraft carriers in the coming years. The Chinese Navy had recently commissioned 2 more Type 52 destroyers, taking the total number of such ships to 20, and more orders are in the pipeline. The Indian Army, Navy and the Air Force have begun working out the modalities of the Joint Services Act, which aims to integrate the 3 forces, and may replace the acts that currently govern the 3 services. The work has been going on at individual headquarter level for the last few months, and this development comes at a time when the committee headed by the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval is working out the terms of references for the post of Chief of Defence Staff. Apart from Hindustan Aeronautics and Bharat Dynamics Limited, an industry delegation including private sector representatives from L&T Defence, Adani Defence, Alpha Design Technologies, SMPP Private Limited and Zen Technologies, are also likely to attend a meeting in Russia during the upcoming meeting between the Indian Defence Minister and his Russian counterpart, as a big item on the agenda is identifying potential partnerships that will enable manufacturing of Russian military parts and components in India.